Did you know that a simple cup of clove water before bed can transform your health? From better digestion to restful sleep, it's nature's remedy. Stay tuned as we reveal 7 amazing benefits and how to make this magical drink. Don't miss our free recipe guide at the end. Cloves have been treasured for over 2,000 years in Chinese medicine and were so valuable they were once traded like gold. During the Black Plague, cloves became a life-saving remedy thanks to their antibacterial and antiviral properties. Even today, their medicinal value continues to amaze scientists and doctors. Did you know your liver works tirelessly to filter over 50 gallons of blood every day, removing harmful toxins? But over time, processed foods, pollution, and medications can overload this vital organ. Here's where clove water comes in. Packed with eugenol, a powerful antioxidant, it fights oxidative stress, reduces liver inflammation, and boosts detoxification. By drinking clove water regularly, you give your liver the support it needs to stay healthy and efficient. Start your day with a warm glass of clove water and pair it with a clean, balanced diet for optimal results. Struggling with bloating or indigestion? Clove water works wonders by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and soothing your stomach lining. Its natural compounds fight harmful bacteria in your gut, promoting healthier digestion. Drink clove water before meals to reduce bloating, prevent GI, and enhance nutrient absorption for better gut health. Are you struggling with breathing problems? Clove water offers an incredible natural solution. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties work wonders by clearing mucus, soothing your throat, and supporting overall respiratory health. Eugenol, the key compound in cloves, not only reduces inflammation, but also fights off harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause respiratory infections. Drinking a warm cup of clove water before bed helps ease conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and even seasonal allergies, giving you a peaceful night's sleep. Want to take it up a notch? Add a slice of fresh ginger or a squeeze of lemon for an extra respiratory boost. Your heart deserves the best care, and clove water is here to help. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, cloves support healthy blood circulation and reduce bad cholesterol levels. This can lower your risk of heart disease and keep your heart pumping strong. Clove water also helps regulate blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. Sip on this powerful drink daily to nurture your cardiovascular health naturally. Add a pinch of cinnamon to your clove water for an extra heart-friendly boost. It's a game changer. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. Clove water plays a vital role in keeping it strong and resilient. Packed with eugenol, a powerful antioxidant, cloves help neutralize free radicals that weaken your immunity. Additionally, cloves are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient known to stimulate white blood cell production and improve your ability to fight colds, flu, and other infections. By simply adding clove water to your daily routine, you give your immune system the support it needs to thrive. For best results, pair clove water with a nutrient-rich diet and regular exercise to maximize your body's natural defenses. Struggling to sleep well at night? Clove water may be the natural solution you are looking for. Cloves help regulate serotonin and melatonin, the key hormones responsible for relaxation and sleep. By calming your nervous system and reducing stress, drinking clove water before bed can help you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Did you know that your immune system works 24/7 to protect you from harmful bacteria, viruses, and even cancer cells? Cloves are a natural powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which strengthens your immune defenses and reduces inflammation in your body. Drinking clove water daily helps neutralize free radicals, improve white blood cell production, and shield your body from seasonal illnesses like colds and flu. Add it to your nighttime routine and feel the difference. Making clove water is simple but highly effective. Start by adding 4 or 5 whole cloves to a cup of water. Simmer it gently for 5 minutes to extract its potent nutrients and aromatic oils. Cover the pot to prevent evaporation of the essential oils. Let it cool for about an hour to enhance flavor, and if you prefer, add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. For the best results, drink this soothing beverage 30 minutes before bed. It's your gateway to better digestion, detoxification, and restful sleep. Pro tip: Use organic cloves for maximum health benefits and always store them in an airtight container to retain their potency. Clove water isn't just a drink, it's a natural remedy that supports your health in multiple ways, from detoxifying your liver to improving digestion and sleep. By making it a part of your nightly routine, you're not just taking a step towards better health, but also towards a more balanced life. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Also, download our free clove water recipe guide in the description to get started today.